Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is my second video tutorial on how to upload the study material. Here I will be updating or uploading the study material in the form of the PowerPoint slides, and it will be uploaded as a PDF file to my study material. Previously, we have successfully uploaded one study material, and that was for the course content. So again, I'm at my home page of my MIS. The course title is Application of ICT. Students are BS Islamic Studies second semester. So again, I will scroll it towards right side and click on the option button, select the study material, and I will be redirected to this page. So previously we have uploaded the course outline. Now we will be uploading the lecture slides to my MIS portal. So just click on this green button again. Here again you will be at this page now. Similar to my course content file that was originally in document Word file. So I've converted that document Word file into a PDF file. Same is the case for my this for my lecture slides that I will be converted into a PDF file. These PPT slides will be converted into the PDF files. So for that purpose, I need to just open a PDF file, PPT file. Just hold it on. I will be opening the folder where the PowerPoint slide is available to me. Like for example, I'm selecting one of the PPT lecture from here, and that is any this is chapter number one. So just as I opened the chapter number one of my ICT lecture slides, and here this will be in the form of the PowerPoint file, but remember this PowerPoint file cannot be uploaded into MIS system, so I need just to convert into a PDF file. So click on the file, same like we have done with the Word file. So just save it as, select the save as option, again select the download folder and just rename it as ICT lecture 1, and just select from here type, save as type as PDF type. Just you need to save it. So this lecture from PPT will be converted into PDF. Just save it. This will be published. Publish means this will be converted into a PDF file. So this is the PDF file created. Now again, I will go to the MIS portal and select the document type as upload file. Just you need to choose the file. So I will go to the location where this file is available. That was the download folder. So just click on the ICT lecture number one. Previously we have uploaded course outline. Now I will be uploading the lecture number one. So just you need to open it and name this lecture number one as, rename it properly so that later on you can remember and your students are easy can easily pick it up. So ICT lecture number one, just press on the save and proceed. So now you have successfully uploaded the lecture number one slide along with the ICT course line outline. This is the course outline available to the student, and this is the lecture number one in the form of PDF visible to BS Islamic Studies second semester for the course of application of ICT. Applications of information and communication technology. So this is lecture number one, and you similarly you can upload lecture number two. So you can apply the same process. Just you need to create a PDF file first, as we have done in the ICT lecture number one PDF file. So just select the upload file. I've already created 2 3 PDF files. So just I will be selecting one more PDF file from here, that is ICT basics, and open it. Just rename it as ICT lecture number 2. So this is ICT lecture number 2. Save and proceed. And here you will find course outline previously updated, lecture number 1 previous and updated. Now we have updated ICT lecture number 2. So in the same way, you can upload all the 16 lectures available in the form of PDF file visible to the students. And this PDF file is actually containing the PowerPoint slide. This one is containing the PowerPoint slides of your lectures, and this one is containing the course outline in the form of Word file, which was later converted into the PDF file. So thank you very much.